In this video, I'll show you how to password protect a PDF using PDF24 Tools. In just a few clicks, you can secure your PDF so that only people with the password can open and view the document. This is useful if your PDF contains personal information, business documents, contracts, invoices, financial records, or anything else you don't want other people to access without permission. The process is completely free, works in your web browser, and doesn't require you to install any software. Let's get started. Open your browser and visit the PDF24 Tools website. From the list of available tools, click Protect PDF. Click Choose Files and select the PDF you want to protect. You can also drag and drop your document directly into the browser window. After the upload finishes, PDF24 will display the password options. Enter the password you'd like to use. Most versions of the tool will ask you to enter it twice to make sure there aren't any typing mistakes. Since you'll need this password every time someone opens the PDF, choose one that's secure but also easy for you to remember. If you're protecting confidential business documents, avoid simple passwords such as 1, 2, 3, or password. Instead, create a longer password using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters whenever possible. After entering your password, click Protect PDF or Create PDF, depending on the version of the tool you're using. PDF24 will encrypt the document and generate a new password-protected PDF. When the process is complete, click Download to save the protected file to your computer. Before sending it to someone else, it's a good idea to test the file yourself. Close the document, open it again, and make sure you're prompted to enter the password. Type the password you created to confirm that everything works correctly before sharing the file. Protecting PDFs is useful in many everyday situations. You might email tax documents to an accountant, send contracts to a client, archive confidential company files, or store personal records in cloud storage. Adding password protection gives you an additional layer of security if the file is shared or stored online. Remember that password protection is only effective if the password is shared securely. Avoid sending both the PDF and its password in the same email. Instead, consider sending the password using a different communication method, such as a phone call, a text message, or a secure messaging application. Here's another helpful tip. If your PDF contains information that shouldn't be shared at all, consider removing those pages before protecting the document. You can use PDF24's Remove PDF Pages tool first, then apply password protection to the final version. You can also combine this feature with several other PDF24 tools. For example, compress the document before protecting it. If you plan to email it, rearrange the pages before sharing it, or add a watermark if you want to clearly identify the document as confidential or for internal use only. As you can see, protecting a PDF with PDF24 Tools is fast, simple, and completely free. In just a few minutes, you can add an extra level of security to your documents and share them with much greater confidence. If you've ever received a password-protected PDF but no longer need the password, the next tutorial is for you. I'll show you how to unlock a PDF with PDF24 Tools when you already know the password, making it easier to work with your own protected documents.